明日午前0時より発動される八島作戦のスケジュールを伝えます。碇綾波の両パイロットは本日1730刑事に集合。1800初号機及び0号機起動。1805発進。同30双子山仮設基地に到着。以降は別名あるまで待機。明朝日付変更とともに作戦行動開始。
Pilot Ikari, I've been sent here to brief you on the Operation Yashima timetables. The operation will begin at midnight, 0000 hours. Prior to that, pilots Ikari and Ayanami will arrive at the cage by 1730. At 1800, Unit 1 and Unit 0 will activate. At 1805, both units will be deployed. They will arrive at the temporary base at Mount Futago at 1830. There, they will await further orders.
明日午前0時より発動される八島作戦のスケジュールを伝えます。碇綾波両パイロットは本日1930第2ターミナルに集合。2000初号機及び0号機に付随し移動開始。2005発進。同30双子山第2要塞に到着。以降は別名あるまで待機。明日日付変更とともに作戦行動開始。
Listen, at 0000 hours tomorrow, Operation Yashima is scheduled to begin. Pilots Ikari and Ayanami will report to Terminal 2, 1930 hours today. 2000 hours, the Avas, Unit 1 and Unit 0 will take position. 2005, we launch. 2030, arrive at Fortress 2 Futago Mountain. After that, stand by for further orders. Tomorrow when the date changes, the operation will commence.
The timeline of events for the operation beginning tomorrow at 0000 hours is as follows. 1730 hours, pilots Ikari and Ayanami report to cages. 1800 hours, activate Unit 1 and Unit 0. 1805 hours, depart. 1830, arrive at Mount Futago temporary base. There, pilots await further instructions. The operation will commence exactly when the clock strikes midnight.
Listen, the timeline for Operation Yashima, set to start at midnight, is as follows. First, Ayanami and Ikari will report to Terminal 2 at 1930 hours. At 2000, both pilots will accompany both units, 1 and 0. At 2005, we depart. At 2030, we arrive at Futagayama Fortress 2. Once there, we are to await further instructions. Then, when the clock strikes midnight, Operation Yashima begins.